what was the challenges that you were facing in your job that that made you think that you need to take the FIDIC course, or you need to understand what FIDIC
Yeah.
is?
Yeah, that's a very good question.
Yeah.
So, so as you know, most of the UAE construction contracts, they're bespoke contracts, but they're largely widely influenced by FIDIC. They are
Right.
bespoke, customized contracts, but they are largely influenced by FIDIC. So in my role, I have worked with this design only projects, design and build project, and as I told, I have been working in manufacturing and industrial structure sections also. So there we have the EPC framework contracts as well. So and most of my experience, I have been on the client side for most of my experience in UAE, and I have been dealing with numerous variations, delay submissions, contract submissions, risk allocations, and much more. So every time, while referring to FIDIC in such a situation, I just realized every clause associated with the contract had layered sub-clauses and conditional provisions, which were very subjective and which required a proper interpretation, and it was very difficult at that time. So before doing FIDIC, even selecting the right book for the right scope of work and type of work was a little bit challenging, a little bit confusing, because you feel like, okay, it can work under both books, and you have that confusion, like which will be better. And that's the time when I realized the importance of understanding the conditions of contract, according to FIDIC. And it has actually helped me to tackle the post-contract challenges which I'm facing right now. But not just that, since I have taken the classes, now I know to mitigate it from the very onset, from the pre-contract stage, frame your contract better that you don't face this post-contract challenges. So that's what it was.